Small companies might be uniquely vulnerable to potentially damaging lawsuits because they don't have the financial muscle that the larger companies have. Despite the frequency and impact of these, many private companies have not purchased D&O to help manage risk because non-buyers mistakenly believe the coverage is unnecessary, either because they're privately held or family run. This belief stems from the misconception that most of the suits or fines are brought by the shareholders, which is commonly the case for the more highly publicized suits brought against public companies. But for private companies, suits from customer, vendors, suppliers, and other third parties most prevalently lead to losses. Even more alarming, when a non-buyer does experience a D&O loss, the average cost is nearly $400,000, a sum that can have a seriously potential devastating impact on the organization's balance sheet. Directors and officers' liability insurance protects the personal assets of corporate directors and their spouses. In the event they are personally sued by employers, vendors, competitors, investors, customers, and other parties for actual or alleged wrongful acts in managing a company. The insurance, which usually protects the company as well, covers legal fees, settlements. D&O insurance is the financial backing for a standard indemnification provision, which holds officers harmless for losses due for their role in the company. Many officers and directors will want a company to provide both indemnification and D&O insurance. Directors and officers are sued for a variety of reasons related to their company roles, including breach of duty, resulting in financial losses or bankruptcy, misrepresentation of company assets, misuse of company funds, fraud, failure to comply with workplace laws, theft of intellectual property, poaching competitors' customers, lack of corporate governance. Illegal acts or illegal profits are generally not covered under D&O insurance. It's a misconception that D&O claims are mostly a public company phenomenon. In fact, a recent Towers-Watson survey showed that public, private, and nonprofit companies all face D&O litigation risks.